In the last example, I mentioned that one of the things that we get from StatCrunch in our summary statistics is our variance. Variance is another way of measuring spread. So another way of measuring spread is variance. Variance is closely related to our standard deviation. It's actually the variation squared. So instead of just having an S, we have an S squared. So the only difference in our formula, we don't take the square root at the end. For some, sometimes we're going to use the variance, but not often. So for most applications, the standard deviation is what is going to be preferred. So that's kind of what we focus on. So for most applications, the standard deviation is preferred because it has the same units of the original data set. Again, it does kind of depend on what we're looking at, so it is worth it to mention. Again, if we look back to our previous example, it is in the column right next to our standard deviation, so it is worth mentioning that it's there. But for all practical purposes, what we're going to use as we're going through this section and the next section is we're going to concentrate on our standard deviation.